Warren Buffett did it finally. I have a news for you that is so amazing, this is so unbelievable that I have not seen any news like this in the last 8 years that I am in crypto. So stay until the end. I have also some crypto updates for you. So it's really worth to watch this video until the end, and it's only 3 to 5 minutes. So my name is Ronnie, I'm from Germany. I'm traveling for the last 8 years. I'm only making money in crypto. I don't have any other business, and I'm here to teach you how to make money with cryptocurrency. So stay tuned. So what is the news? Warren Buffett has always said, oh, this is rat poison, Bitcoin, I don't like it. But now it turns out that his company, Berkshire Hathaway, is exposed to Bitcoin. They hold a large stack of Bank of America Corporation. And Bank of America Corporation have a large stack of Bitcoin ETFs. So that means that Warren Buffett knows that he's exposed to Bitcoin. Hear me out. You will say, oh yeah, and why is this a good crypto news? Listen, I know some guys from Germany, for example, like one guy, Bodo Schäfer. He's just like a parrot talking, I hate Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin is not good because of Warren Buffett saying it. You know, there are so many investors. They don't know what is Bitcoin. They know nothing about it. But just because of Warren Buffett saying something, they take the same position and they say, oh no, Bitcoin is shit because Warren Buffett is telling it. So now there are millions of investors. They listen to one of the best, if not the best investor in the world, Warren Buffett, saying or understanding that he's exposed to Bitcoin. Normal thing is that if he, in his company, one of the biggest, largest companies in the world, the most successful investment companies in the world, you can buy a share and you can basically invest in all the companies that one of the smartest investors is investing, Berkshire Hathaway. If he's totally against Bitcoin, he don't get Bitcoin, he think Bitcoin is shit, he's rat poison, as he said, then why is he not selling all the companies that are directly exposed to Bitcoin? Because this company are in high risk. If it's true what he's saying, if he still thinks that Bitcoin is bad, that Bitcoin is not worth to own it, so why he don't sell the stacks of these companies? I can tell you why. Because he's considering now Bitcoin a valid asset class. But just think about the shift in the thinking of people, of investors, of high net worth investors. So this is such an amazing news and people don't get it. I have not seen this news in any other YouTube channel. Put me a comment if you have seen this anywhere else. Okay, so this is great news. I think a lot of money of many investors will flow into Bitcoin now because they understand that Warren Buffett is also indirect but exposed to Bitcoin. So tell me if you have seen it anywhere. Today the market is a little, still slow. The volume is down like 50 billion trading volume, but we have 2.66 trillion market cap in totally the crypto market. So I think it's going good again. I started to buy yesterday again meme coins. So in the next days, weeks, you will have also some news about meme coins here. And subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, put me a comment, tell me what you would like me to talk about here. I will do maybe not so much Bitcoin analysis, but I will give you the news that really move the market, the news that you need to understand to be able to take decisions and think, oh, it's a good time to buy, it's a good time to sell. Okay, I think this is much more value. So now, if you want a $500 bonus, imagine $500 position in Bybit, you can just see here the video. I will link the video. In the next seconds you will see it, and also the recommended video on the end. I don't have any link here or something. Go to this video, watch it. I show you step by step how you can get this $500 position. It's very easy. It takes 3 minutes. This video is like less than 3 minutes or maybe 5 minutes, but you can get a $500 position and you can trade with it. I will give you access to my premium trading group, and I give it for free because I know a lot of people lost money. So see the video or the recommended video. take your $500 bonus and make money with my signals, okay? Thank you very much. Take very much care of your crypto. I'm happy we are back again. Crypto's moving. Everybody's happy. I hope you will be happy again soon. And see you in the next video. Take very much care of your crypto and bye.